Hello guys, welcome to a Excel edition of my financial spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is called Extra Financial Payments. As you see, it's a diagram graph. What's missing is the extra mortgage payments. So that's what I need to do. And then I see how the investment option goes up. So I need to find the extra mortgage payments and how to increase it by inputting the missing figures that has not yet to be calculated in the spreadsheet. There's a lot to calculate. It's going to require a lot of sum tables. So it is financial. See, there's a lot of finance, investments, and payments, and payoffs, and loans as well. So let's go and start with the extra payments and calculate the monthly payments. Then once I'm finished that, I'll move on to the number of payments and extra payments. So, okay. Here is how to calculate the monthly payments for extra payments. Oh, that's good. The answer is €1,450.07. Okay, now let's calculate the number of payments. Oh, that's correct. The answer for that is €152.00. Okay, let's find the total payments. With the correct answer. Okay, now here's how to calculate the total interest. It's pretty basic, the same answer. So now let's calculate the same headings in no extra payments. Okay, now the number of payments. Okay, next one is the total payments. is multiplied by the number of payments and monthly payments. Okay, now to calculate the total interest. Okay, to fix the problem. The problem is I had to add 2 brackets at the end, as I only used 1, which caused a problem. So that's fixed, and the answer is minus €84,000. So let's move on to the payoff in years. Interest savings next. Okay, so now the extra money has indeed appeared into the graph. So that's good news. And if you want to change percentage, look what happens when I change the number. It is absolutely awesome. Very good. Change that to 8%. Change that to 10%. As you see, it doesn't change as yet because there are still missing figures on the bottom part of the sheet. So, as you see, the investment options need to be calculated. And once they're all calculated appropriate, then the mortgage and investment line should change. So let's go back to 6.42% at the moment, and then I'll demonstrate this again later on. So let's go down to the next part and calculate payments. This requires an if statement. Very good, successfully calculated. So that's the answer for the payment. That's how to find and calculate the month for the payment related to the balance section, which is here. So once I have it now, I can drag that and see and now analyze the answers for the rest of the payments. Okay, now let's go and calculate the interest. Okay, correct. Now let's calculate the cumulative interest. Which is an if statement. It's going very well so far. So the next one is going to be principal. After I calculate this, I'll continue calculating the rest of the tables in the next video. So this will be another if statement as well, principal. So that's correct answer. No, this is difficult. This is how you have to get your answers when you calculate appropriate functions on tables. So yeah, everything's going really well so far, so stay tuned for the next video where I finish this off, and then in the next video I will then demonstrate and change percentage, and then the line should change once I calculate the investment option section. So that's it for today, and I will continue the next video in a few minutes. So thank you all for watching this. Stay safe, wash your hands, and have a good pleasant evening. Adios.